Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about protecting wild animals. Wild animals are an essential part of our planet's biodiversity. They contribute to the balance of nature by helping to maintain healthy ecosystems. However, the increasing human impact on the environment is putting many species at risk. Deforestation, pollution, poaching, and climate change are some of the major threats that wild animals face today. The loss of these animals not only harms the environment, but also has long-term consequences for human society. One of the most significant dangers to wildlife is habitat destruction. As forests are cut down for agriculture or urban development, without safe places to live, many species are forced to migrate or face extinction. For example, the destruction of the Amazon rainforest has severely impacted the animals that live there, such as the jaguar and the sloth. These species depend on the forest for food, shelter, and breeding grounds, and without it, their survival is uncertain. Another threat is illegal hunting, which has been responsible for the decline of many animals. Poaching for fur, tusks, and bones is common, especially for endangered species like elephants and rhinos. The demand for exotic pets and traditional medicines also fuels illegal wildlife trade. When animals are captured or killed for profit, it disrupts entire ecosystems. For instance, when elephants are killed for their ivory, the loss affects the forest and grassland ecosystem, as elephants help control the growth of vegetation and create water sources for other animals. In addition to habitat loss and poaching, climate change is altering the habitats of many animals. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and shifting seasons affect the migration patterns of animals and the availability of food. Polar bears, for example, are losing their habitat due to the melting of sea ice. As their environment changes, their ability to hunt and survive is becoming increasingly difficult. If this continues, polar bears may face extinction in the near future. The protection of wild animals is not only about saving individual species, it is about preserving the delicate balance of nature. Each animal plays a unique role in maintaining the health of ecosystems. When one species disappears, it can create a ripple effect that harms many other species. To protect wild animals, we need to reduce our environmental impact, enforce stricter laws against poaching, and support wildlife conservation efforts. In the end, protecting wild animals is a shared responsibility. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together to ensure that future generations can enjoy the beauty and benefits of wildlife. By making small changes in our daily lives, such as reducing waste, supporting conservation programs, and spreading awareness, we can all contribute to the protection of our planet's precious wildlife. Now, I will ask you a few questions. You can think about which viewpoints from the text can be used to answer them. First, what are the main threats to wild animals? Second, how does poaching affect ecosystems? Third, why is it important to protect wild animals? You can post your answers in the comment section. See you next time.